Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I would like to show you the way how you can add the UV index or UV detector on your iPhone. First, you just need to open your setting, and then you just need to scrolling down until you found the wallpaper, and then you just need to tap on it. Now that will be displayed to you the current wallpaper. The left one could be the lock screen and the right one could be the home screen. Tap into the customize into the lock screen, and now the UV index will be seamless with this. And how the way you can get it, you just need to go tap on this add widgets, and then you just need to scroll down until you got a weather right here, and then just swipe into the left side until you got this UV index, and then you just need to tap on it. So you already got this widget on your lock screen. So if you want to check the UV level of the day, you just need to check your lock screen and you will got the estimation of the UV index. So that's for today's tutorial. Hopefully you enjoy this, and let's meet again into other tutorial.